Today I'm going to show you how to create ads in Meta Business Suite. So to create an ad in Meta Business Suite, there are two main ways that we can do this. So if you go over here, you will have a couple options. There will be the create ad option. And by the way, this is on business.facebook.com and you'll see create ad. You can also go and click on create post and turn it into an ad. And then on the left-hand side, if you go to planner, you can click on planner and then on the top left, click on month. Look at where you would like to post this ad. Click on the plus icon and here you can go and click on schedule ad. And then additional to that, if you open the sidebar, you can go to the ads manager and then go to your campaigns. You will have a new page opened over here in adsmanager.facebook.com, and then you can add an account here and create and manage your ads straight from here. Ultimately, what you will be doing is clicking on either schedule or create ad, and here you will get started with automated ads, or you can choose to get messages as your goal, create an A/B test, boost your Facebook content, Instagram content, promote a page, get more calls, get more website visits, or get more leads. Whatever it is that you want to gain, go ahead, choose that option. On the next page over here, we will be in the setup page. So on the top left-hand side, you will see that goal that we just chose, and then we have the ad creative, and you'll see the preview on the right-hand side. From here, you can click on use a post if you would like to use an existing post that you've made to turn into an ad. Then you can add the text that will be on the ad. So whatever it is that you would like to say. And over here, you can add some media. Okay, you can also edit this media once it's been uploaded. You can add a headline and a button label. So on the right-hand side, you can see this is the headline and this is the button label over here. You can then also go down and you can click on create form. If there is a form that is necessary, you can go down over here and you can learn more about Facebook's data, which automatically delivers different ad creative variations to different people, which are more likely to improve your performance. There's also special ad categories. So if this is about employment, you can click on this toggle switch. You can change your audience over here. So right now we've got our location, our minimum age, and then the Advantage Plus audience is actually still turned on. You can then also go and create a new group of people that you would like to send this ad to allow it to be seen. You can do ad transparency, which allows you to verify your ad, and this will allow you to have better transparency with whoever is seeing your ad. And then your budget. So you'll have your start date. So we've scheduled it for the 18th, but you can always change that. And then we can go and create our start time. We can run this ad continuously, and then we could also choose when the ad will end. You can also choose a daily budget. So this will go from a minimum to a maximum. Depending on what currency you're using, this obviously will be different, but this is the currency that I'm using in my region, and this is my minimum. This is the minimum per day that you will spend. You can now see that there's the Advantage Plus placements as well, and then you'll add a payment method and create your ad on the bottom right hand side over here.